Breaking updates a day after Baba Chaitanyananda, who has been accused of molestation, was arrested by Delhi police. Now the cops have brought him to his ashram as part of investigations. His phones have been sent for forensic examination, and the police at the moment are searching for his aides. So those are the breaking updates that we are getting. Molester Baba in police custody for 5 days. His phones are sent for forensic examinations and has been taken to different locations inside ashram. We have Anushka, who has brought us this ground report.
In a recent development of the self-styled godman Chaitanyananda Saraswati's case, the Delhi police had brought him to his institute where he was holding the post of director for 12 long years. Now the Delhi police had brought him here, and also this investigation has uncovered striking details about his absconding period and current custodial behavior. Officials have said that even while on the run, Chaitanyananda closely monitored activities at his Delhi-based institute. For nearly 500 days, he frequently changed hideouts, shifting between 15 budget hotels, often lodging in places without CCTV cameras and blending in among group of sadhus. Most bookings were arranged by his followers. Police are now identifying those who helped shelter him. After his arrest, Patiala House Court remanded him 5 days of custody to the Delhi police. Also, investigators of several police rank officials have been questioning him on allegations ranging from sexual assault to financial irregularities. However, sources have said he has not been cooperating, repeatedly dismissing charges as baseless. But also, we are seeing during interrogation, he has also often complained of feeling anxious, and he has claimed to have forgotten the passwords of his devices. Delhi police have seized 3 mobile phones and an iPad, which has been sent to FSL for examination. Inside the lockup, Chaitanyananda has been kept under CCTV watch with basic facilities such as blanket and bed sheet. On his first evening in custody, he demanded fruits which were provided. Investigators have also prepared a detailed line of questioning covering his role at institute, his links to complainants, and also financial sources of ashram and electronic device. Police are probing the involvement of female staff who allegedly pressured students into meeting him and deleting incriminating details. Now the female students who were studying here, almost 34 of them had said that Chaitanyananda had harassed them.